I am so excited. I got something from the post today and that honestly, I did not really forgot that I pre-ordered this, but I really did not think that it will ever arrive. But I was wrong, but it's so nice. I pre-ordered this on July 2022. I paid 238 euros. Yeah, let's have a look what's inside. Really nice package. Oh, look at this. Is it inside here already? Okay, some foam, and there it is. Ayn Loki Zero. It's a handheld PC, gaming PC device, whatever it's called. It's some kind of a cheap competitor for the Steam Deck. So, what is this? It's heavy. Let's have a look inside. Oh, the accessories. Ooh, that was the back side. And here's the front. It's like the device. Let's see. Okay, what do we have here? There's a Euro plug adapter, and USB-C to USB-C charging cable in beautiful white. I like white for my electronic devices, and the charger. Let's see. It's a 3 amps 5 volt charger. What? Not bad. So every phone charger in fact can charge this. And what do they write on here? Thank you. Thanks for your support. Oh, that's nice. You're welcome. Here it is now. It's a handheld gaming PC. I paid $199 as a pre-order with shipping to $39, something around that. Quick for the technical specification. We can see it here too. If it focused. There's the focus. It's the Loki Zero with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage in black. I would have preferred the white one, but was not available. It comes with an AMD Athlon Silver 3050E, AMD Radeon graphics, of course, a 6-inch LCD-IPS screen with 1280 by 720 resolution, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 4.2, what is pretty old, I like to say, and a 46.2 watt-hour battery. The unboxing experience is really nice. Did a really nice packaging. Let's see what's in here. Oh no, I don't like this. I'm very scared to break it. Oh, that is sweet. Look at this. Instruction manual. And a screen protector. For free. Thanks, Ayn. However that's spoken out. Sweet. And here it is, the device itself, resting in his box. Oh, it feels good. Not too heavy, not too light. Yeah, the plastic of the housing looks on cam quite more cheap than it is. Oh, look at those copper cooling solution. There's a power button and the volume rockers on the right. There's a USB-C 3.2 and an audio jack and the micro SD card port. Nothing on the left. Oh, there's another buttons. Nothing on the right. Nice. Really nice. Let's turn it on. Ooh, LEDs. Now we know this is a pro gaming device. The more LEDs, the more colorful, the more pro gaming it is. It's the first power up. Let's have a look. Oh, Windows. Here we are. Windows 11. Let's make a quick setup. And the controller pad is not working. Do I have a touch screen? Oh, I have a touch screen. How cool is that? I didn't know. Did they say advertise it with a touch screen? I'm not sure. But I have one. Cool. Hi. Here it is. Getting ready. And here it is. Windows 11. I'm so excited. That's so cool. It's a really nice screen, I have to say. Even though they say it's 1280 by 720. It looks, look there. It is 1920 by 1080. Maybe they upgraded the screen for the pre-orders. I'm not sure. But it looks really nice. It's so cool. It's so cool. What will happen next? Okay, next thing is I do not want to connect this to the internet, and I get only 20% of free Chinese energy. What a pity. However, I will grab some games from GOG.com. The Athlon Silver 3050E is not meant to play AAA games. It's more for casual games, older titles, and I will download them, put them on, and then I will have a look. I will try how well it goes. Look how beautifully free. There's no bloatware on it. That's nice. That's really nice. I never used Windows 11 before. Let's turn it off. Oh, one thing. Let's see if the USB-C port does provide HDMI out. Display out. That works. How cool is that? Damn! Stay tuned, next video. Have some games. Maybe scrap more than succeed, but in